Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an incredible tool that's going to revolutionize the way you build app interfaces and entire products. Say hello to Krisspy. We all know that delivering a functional app interface can be a daunting task. Aligning all your specs and visuals often takes longer than expected. And don't even get me started on the wait times for designers and the endless team meetings. But what if I told you there's an AI-powered platform that can turn your app ideas into production-ready prototypes in just minutes? Let me introduce you to Krisspy. Krisspy is an AI-powered live interface platform that transforms your product ideas into polished, editable designs in minutes. No coding or design skills required. Let's talk about some of Krisspy's amazing features. Generate high-fidelity prototypes. Using AI, Krisspy allows you to create a full app prototype in just minutes. Skip weeks of expensive design work. Real-time adjustments. Make lightning-fast adjustments in real time. Modify any design element with a user-friendly visual editor, or describe what you want to change and let AI do the work. Figma compatibility. Import your existing Figma assets to maintain consistency and speed up your prototyping process. Plus, you can export your prototype for Figma and download the full React codebase for your developers. Built-in documentation. Automatically generate all your documentation, including user stories, sitemaps, and requirements, all connected to your designs. Krisspy streamlines the product design process with AI-powered designs, iterations, full Figma compatibility, and built-in documentation functionality. Turn your ideas into live prototypes fast. Get lifetime access to Krisspy today. Click the link in the description to learn more and start building your dream app now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. See you next time.